alphabetically challenged today. Hello guys, my name is Bobby. I'm from Romania, I'm from Racing Kingdom. Me and my team, we're building social racing games based on pre-existing communities that we own. You wouldn't believe I'm from a racing company, right? So the team, Christy, the product manager, and Elvis, the developer, they are the minds behind the product. They are the minds behind the product. They've worked together for the last 4 years in the social gaming industry, and they actually built the project that we just launched. Christy actually got himself hired at a gaming company just to understand how they promote their games. I'm the business person of that of this combination, and of course the designated presentation monkey, as you can see. I started in business at 12, doing business with morally questionable material with my classmates. It was right after the communism fell. I managed a nightclub for 3 years. I had my first bankruptcy at 25 in real estate boom. I don't know how I've done it. And 7 years ago, I started in online. I built a car blog that got featured on Forbes.com. I love cars, obviously. I also launched the blogging community in Romania, and that got me hired by Yahoo to manage their operations in Romania for 9 months, unfortunately, because Carol Bartz came and she just swept the entire Eastern Europe from Yahoo. So I left. I also got some consulting for companies like Mercedes-Benz, Citroen, right? BMW, Mobil One, OMV Oil Company. Why should we be in Dublin? Because we're good at what we do, we love what we do, and from Romania we can get to people that we need to contact in the right industry. So Startup Bootcamp should have us because we're good, or at least my team is. Me, it's still under. Thank you.